Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. And this tutorial we'll be talking about HTML paragraphs. So first of all, what is the meaning of an HTML paragraph? HTML paragraph, according to my understanding, is just like normal text. It's not a heading. It doesn't stand for an heading. So first of all, let me clear this one off. Okay. After clearing it, the HTML paragraph is represented with the p tag. You can see it's represented with the p tag, and this HTML paragraph is just like a normal text. When you write an heading in your Microsoft Word and you want to put some other text under, you make the font size more smaller. So that font size that is more small, like in the HTML, is represented with HTML paragraph. In another definition, I can say that the p tag, which is the HTML paragraph, can be structural grouping of related content, like a structural grouping of text together to form a, like, maybe now you want to write about myself, use the one to write about myself, and the other text, maybe in a website you want to write about yourself, use the HTML one as about myself, put about myself here, and about yourself, maybe I am VSKIT, I'm 6 years old, understand, like that. You put it inside this p tag, and then it will look like those small text, but the HTML, the one will get the attention first. So as you can see it on the screen, HTML paragraph, structural grouping of related components, and you can also jot it down, but I'm gonna save it now and I'm gonna show you the outcome. Okay, sorry for the mistake, I mean related content. Sorry, I want to save. Okay, save, and I'll come back here and reload it. You can see that anytime anybody open this website, maybe he's online now, for instance, he's not online, but as soon as he's online, anybody that open this website, their first attention will be this HTML paragraph, because right, it is really bold, and then they say, oh, they're talking about the meaning of HTML paragraphs and say structural grouping of related content. Understand? So that's all for the HTML paragraphs. I'd like you to like my videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can also try these things on your own text editor and run it on your browser. Bye.